Let's go.
Applebee's really big meal deal for $9.99. Size matters when it comes to our big classic bacon cheeseburger, plus endless fries.
The National Weather Service in Dallas has issued a tornado warning for Dallas County and Tarrant County until 12:30 p.m. At 11:15 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar has indicated a severe storm capable of producing a tornado in DeSoto moving at least 20 miles per hour. You are strongly advised to seek shelter now in the lowest interior rooms such as a closet. Use blankets and pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows if in a mobile vehicle. Evacuate and get in some shelter. If there's no shelter available, lie flat on the nearest ditch on the lowest spot and cover your head with your hands.